Yo, let's start this video with a quick flex. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing another build on the new build, the Civic SI 8 Gen, baby. FA5 for now. All right. But yeah, what we need to do is this guy, we're going to be replacing, well, I'm going to be inspecting this because currently it doesn't have a spring or something, because you actually have to lock it in or else it'll open itself. Huh. When you actually push this side forward, it doesn't open itself. But we push it back and it does. Definitely just leave it forward for now. But we can definitely put it in then. I'm gonna go take this bottom part off. The car already has one in it, but it's just missing this section of it. So I'm gonna take that off, take the backing off, and slap that onto the car because this is kind of dirty. So I think the one in the car is a lot better condition than this one. But we got an extra. That's good. All right, let's go pop this. Oh, and subscribe if you guys haven't yet. All right, I'd appreciate it. Let's get it. This is what's jacked up. It does have a spring in it, so I'm confused. Ooh, that's not good. That whole thing cracked. So this screw is good, but this piece snapped down here, so it's not supposed to look like that. We're gonna have to do something crazy. I'm gonna remove this whole thing, and maybe, just maybe, a zip tie will fix the issue. I hope. All right, definitely looks like it's this whole entire assembly. We might just not have a choice, but we'll figure it out because I need an armrest. I feel like my car's long. Oh, yes, the one that I wanted to come off by itself came off by itself. Awesome, now we have a little more room to play with. I just really wanted to get my drill in the right spot. I'm gonna use a slim drill, not a lot of room. See what we're working with. That might do the trick. Shows a little more room. Might just have to grab the Dremel out, give it a little bit more space. That's what I'm doing here. The plan is this little section right here is where that sits. Now it needs to go behind here, but when you push on it, this puts pressure on top of these guys with the spring. My idea is I'm gonna drill a hole like you see here all the way across the other side, run a zip tie over it to secure the rod with the spring on it. So just so you guys can get an idea. Let's adjust this area and see if we can get it to work. See what we're working with now. It's not much better, but let's go for it. Did we make a big enough hole for the zip tie? It's through. Let's see if we can get it. It's like surgery up in here. I think I cut low enough to not jack up the surface area that it needs to work. I actually thought it was this piece that was broken, but it was worse. It was the main part. Seems like spring bent as well, so we gotta bend this guy inwards to work better. I want to try to stop that, so I'm gonna put 3 washers in between here where this rod will go through. There we go. Now we got the 3 washers, pushing this to the other side. Hopefully that helps keeping it in place. So we got that down, that's in here. Here it is, here we go. Will that hold it down? Will that do the trick? Pretty promising. Just trim that off. My super old, super dull dikes. Oof, almost took my eye out. There we go. Look at that. It worked. Hell yeah. All right, ghetto riggeth for the win. So I guess that's how you can fix your glove box if you break this and you break the body of it. I'm glad that worked out. I'm so glad. Boom, look at that. Let me put this all back together and then we'll check it out. Yo, it's been about an hour and I finally got everything done. I spent that whole time disassembling everything, trying to figure it out. It was a process with no help, but we got it and we figured it out. But yeah, we're gonna go throw this into the car and I'll show you guys how to just remove this top part if you guys just have a broken one and you guys decide to just get it replaced. Also, is this OEM? I don't know. This is leather, not bad leather either. Pretty happy about that. Let's go into the car. Oh, big step. Just put that like that. Here's the pin. This doesn't have a pin. Yo, the interior of this car about to be pristine-ish for its age. It's definitely pristine for its age. I just want to clean up all this. I don't think I did when I was originally getting the car cleaned up. Yeah, I didn't even want to record how dirty it was. It was really bad. Really, really bad. All right, so this goes straight down and this part goes into the lip like so. And boom. Then you just got to drive this guy into this hole. There we go. Just got to push this inwards while you're pushing it in. And then make sure it comes out the other side. Did we get it? Oh, we got it. Check that out. There we go. And we can close that up. Boom. Check that out. Wow. And I'm super hyped I could keep this center console. Less work. And it was cleaner than the other one too, so that's super hype. Now I'm getting sweat all over the car. That's gross. Just gotta pop on this back cover and we're done. There we go. Line up the bottom clips. And we're good. Got a little scratch in the back, but I might just order a new panel for that. But look at that. The interior is complete. Now we got a sticky armrest, dude. Dude, it took so long. I'm not gonna lie. Boy, not so proud about the exterior, but the interior of this car, yeah, super hyped. I think that's a rip too. I don't know. I don't think that's supposed to be there. I think I'm just gonna shove a piece of some kind of material in there that's black, like this guy right here. Boom, there we have it, this little piece. Now let's go fix this guy. Bam, check that out. Now it's just a little bit. Why is there literally a hole there? I'm gonna have to ask if that's normal. We should put one more over here though. That sucks. Hey, what's up guys? Oh my God. Is that gonna happen again? It's because I got it on the jacks, on the lifts, whatever. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Thanks for checking it out. If you guys are wondering how it's holding up, I've been driving this thing around and using the armrest a lot. Push that thing back. Yo, it works just as it should. And I'm super happy about it. Don't mind the mess, but yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for checking it out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. We got mods coming soon, all right? We're still knocking out stuff, but I think I just spoiled one of the mods, all right? But thanks for checking it out. Hit that like button if you guys thought it was dope. If you guys got any input on this, if you guys would just replace the part, whatever, yeah, of course I know that. But if you guys have input on how I should have fixed it instead, let me know down below. Hit that subscribe button. If you guys want to stay up to date on the build, this one's coming out so sick. I wish you guys could see it right now. I'm kind of editing like pretty far forward into the build. Well, I'm closing this pretty far into the build because we just edited it and we made so much content so fast. But yeah, looks super dope. You guys will see soon, all right? Oh, dang. But yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.